Welcome guys, Mel here from Mel's Motors. As you can see behind me, there's a seat and no car wrapped around it. We've got this seat out of a BMW. It came up with a fault code, seat occupancy sensor. The sensor's there, so when there's a passenger in there, the airbag becomes live on that side of the car. So if God forbid you have an accident, it will deploy. Well, it can't see a passenger in there, so it's complaining about it. So we're going to get that out and see if we can fix the problem. Okay, so we're upstairs in my woodworking bit. We built this last year. If you didn't see the video, you can subscribe and go and see that. So you have a lot of wires and plugs underneath here. Inside the seat we have electronics. The seat occupancy sensor sits literally underneath here. It's a very dirty seat, I'm sorry, but sometimes this is how customers drop their seats off to us or their cars, and we have to contend with it. So we've got to get the covering off it to get to the occupancy sensor, but there's a lot of things to remove, like the side adjustment handles. Again, there's electronics here for, I believe that's lumbar support. We have a side airbag here, so we need to get to the base of it. I'm just going to go around so you can see the back as well. So you've got the plastics in the back. This is quite a common problem on these BMWs. I've done a fair few over the years. It's becoming a bit of an old system now. Most of the time now they use the seatbelt buckle. If it's buckled, there's someone in it. If it isn't, then obviously the airbag will not go live on that side. So that trim was stuck on these tabs. So there's one here, one over here. They were quite hard to get off, to be fair. Where's the trim? There you go. You can see that the little tabs were hooked onto it. So if you look at this plastic, you just pull these off. So it's literally the whole cover's just pushed on with these fold over loops. Okay, this front part of the seat we can't get off because it's screwed in this way. We need to peel the seat back from the back and then we'll have access to that. I don't think we'll need to take that off, so I'll leave it where it is. Okay, seat covers off, no occupancy sensor. There's a wire here, that goes inside the sponge, so it's in between the cover and the sponge. Just about see it in there. So, to get this off now, we've got these little metal clips scattered all over it. So you need a decent pair of side cutters and then start cutting those clips off all throughout the seat. Okay, so we've stripped the seat. These were the little clips we had to break or cut with the cutters. We won't be using these because this is fitted with a special tool. If you have a look, we have bars in there. So what we do is when we put these back together, we just use cable ties. So we've got a new part. You can see it's quite fragile. So we're going to remove the old one. So it's got sticky pads on there, it's left square marks, so we know where the new one is going to go. Right, the new one, sticky pads, won't peel them off just yet. So it lines up, pull these off. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the rest of these little clips. I'm pinching someone's backside. And what we do with these is we put them back together with cable ties. Well, the seat's back in the BMW. We're just doing a quick scan and make sure we can clear the airbag faults. They're all clear now, so the car's ready to go back to the customer. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you hit the like button, subscribe button and bell notification, you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Take care guys.